Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to create 3 looks using the Pat McGrath Rose Decadence palette. This is the miniature installment of the Divine Rose family of shadows. So these are the 6 shades. They're so beautiful. So if you're interested to see 3 different looks that I created, as well as swatches, keep watching. If you're interested in the base, I am doing a foundation 3-day wear test, so that will be coming after this because I want to get Miss Pat up first, right? Let me know down below, are you picking this up? Did you pick this up? Are you interested in Pat McGrath? Let me know down below which of the 3 looks is your favorite, and I will put in the description box which one is my favorite because right now I've only seen this one. I'm gonna quit blabbing and I'm going to let you see me open the package, do some swatches, and then get into the 3 looks. So, Pat McGrath Rose Decadence palette. It's in here very nicely. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, cool. Oh my god, okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. This is the first of my palettes. She's started doing her 6-pan palettes in like a regular palette form instead of the trifold. Oh my gosh, it's cardboard, but it's like heavy, and that magnet is very strong. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I still have the little plastic thing on here, but here is the first look. And then we love a good, you know. And then it gets stuck to you for the rest of your life. And here she is in all of her glory. I'm gonna give you some swatches and then we'll just jump over into me doing the 3 looks. I have no clue what the looks will look like, obviously, because I haven't started, but I know that some of you are probably just here for swatches. So we have, okay, pink champagne. Peach dusk. Fuchsia flame. Ooh. Are you getting that little duochrome bit? It's got like purple, fuchsia in an orange color. Golden honey. Scandalous. And the last shade is Hedonistic Rose. So here are the swatches. So if you're interested to see what 3 looks I come up with these colors, just keep watching. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!